Did you know the first woman elected to the Philippine Congress became a secret resistance fighter, armed only with a typewriter? In 1941, Elisa Rosales Ochoa made history as the first Filipina congresswoman, but just months after her victory, Japan invaded. By 1942, Mindanao was under brutal occupation. Congress was dissolved. Elisa returned to Agusan not as a politician, but as a school principal. Yet behind her classroom, she waged a different kind of war. Using a hidden typewriter, Elisa printed anti-Japanese leaflets, exposed atrocities, and relayed intelligence to guerrillas and US forces. She organized a covert network of students and farmers to smuggle these messages across the province. She risked torture and death, not with a gun, but with words. When the war ended, she quietly resumed teaching. No parades, no headlines. But Elisa Ochoa's legacy lives on, not just as a pioneer in Congress, but as one of the Philippines' most fearless civilian resistors.